Heads up. 2 Corinthians 2:11. Least Satan should get an advantage of us, for we are not ignorant of his devices.
What's going on, guys? It's Greg here, aka NY Prepper. It is Sunday, September 17th, 2023, and I have another emergency alert to share with you guys. We have some major breaking news coming out of India. Apparently, there is a Nipah virus outbreak in a part of India, and this virus is highly dangerous. It has a mortality rate of 40 to 75%. And what you're looking at here is the World Health Organization website. And here it tells you everything you need to know about this virus. And they actually made a movie about this virus called Contagion. And apparently already 5 people have contracted this virus and 2 people have been killed in the southern part of India in Kerala. And now India is testing 800 people to see if they have this virus, okay? And what's very concerning is that sometimes you don't get any symptoms when you're infected, and other times you get really bad symptoms like acute respiratory problems, and in the worst cases you get encephalitis, brain swelling, which causes seizures and then eventually death. And what's very scary about this one is that they have no treatment for it, okay? There's no medicine, there's nothing you can do to kill the virus off. Basically, the only thing you can do is just have supportive care and try to let your body fight it off, okay? But this is very, very serious.
2 Corinthians 2, verse 11, NLT. So that Satan will not outsmart us, for we are familiar with his schemes. There's a scheme going on right now, that the Lord is actually going to allow to take place to bring forth Jacob's trouble. You people are in trouble. You people are in trouble. And YouTube, don't strike me. This is a re-upload of a video from NY Prepper. As you can see, your new variant that's on the move. This is 1 Thessalonians 5 verse 3 NLT. When people are saying everything is peaceful and secure, then disaster will fall on them as sudden as pregnant woman's labor pains begin, and there will be no escape. Is this going to be the one? We heard about the other one coming out of Africa. Now we hear this one coming out of India. What are they going to do? What are they up to? What are they up to? 1 Thessalonians 5 and 3 KJV. For when they shall say peace and safety, then sudden destruction. Let's go into this word. Sudden. Sudden destruction. Sudden. Let's see if it's going to play.
Strong's G 160. Eiphneidios.
Unexpected, sudden, unforeseen. And what's the opposite of unforeseen? Meaning foreseen. And that's what we got as the hopeful elect. Foresight into the prophecy. That's what we got. But for these people, Jacob's trouble, World War III, the MOTB, the UFO takeover, which are the chariots and the angels of Yahweh, Ba'ashem Yahweh Shah, Revelations 1:7, unforeseen. Their dead bodies walking. They don't see this sudden destruction that's about to hit. Once again, 1 Thessalonians 5, verse 3. For when they shall say peace and safety, then sudden destruction cometh upon them, as travail upon a woman with child, and they shall not escape.
Guys, mortality rate of 40 to 75%. There's already some schools in India that are shutting down now. Okay, a fatality rate of 40 to 75%. And this virus originates from fruit bats, and it can jump from fruit bats to people, but there's already been human to human transmission.
Salakia for these.
An urgent message to all
murders,
true patriots. China is here, and if you're not prepared, stockpiling toilet paper and masks won't make
serious.
America great again. If you're concerned about
Listen
the
to
future
this.
and direction this nation is moving, then listen closely, as you won't be hearing about this on the big three news networks. The good book states, an enemy will take our food and leave us crushed.
Okay, but it originated with fruit bats, and basically what happened is the fruit bats had this virus, and they were eating some fruits, and they got some saliva on that fruit, and then a person ate it, and they got the virus. Okay, so this is a very, very serious situation, guys. We have to monitor this closely and see what happens with it. I'm going to continue to monitor it for you guys and update you if anything changes, if things get worse. We also have some major breaking news coming from the...
That's it on that. You can go right over here. Check out the rest. Keep your eyes on the prize, which is the second coming of our Lord. Hopeful elect. This is Mark 13, verse 37. What I say unto you, I say unto all. Watch. NLT. I say to you what I say to everyone. Watch for him. The second coming is at hand. Our Lord is here. That's what people don't understand. The chariot is stationed here. No. We're not waiting on a fantasy. All these UAPs, USOs, UFOs, whatever you want to classify them as, our Lord is here. And we are watching for his appearance. Shalom.